Are random notifications constantly disturbing you while working, gaming, or watching videos on PC? In this video, I will show you how to completely turn off annoying notifications in Windows 11 in less than 1 minute. So let's get started. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open settings in Windows 11. So what you will do, simply click on start button and then search settings. So here you can see this is settings. You simply click on it and here you will see the settings page. Now friend, what you will do, you can simply click on this system and also you will see this recommendation settings notifications. But we are going to step by step process. That's why we are calling and click on system. And here friend, you will get this notification thing is available over here. What you will do, simply click on it. And here friend, you will get a notification settings over here. So if you want to completely hide the notification, what you will do, simply click on this focus option. And here you will start the focus session. For example, if you want to add 30 minutes, 40 minutes and 1 hour, you can simply enable it. So no notification will be showing when this session will start. But we want to completely stop the notification. Then what we will do, simply click on this system again and then click on this notifications. And friend, here you will see do not disturb option. And maybe your PC will showing like this. You simply enable these things and what happen, your all notification will stop. So by this way you can easily stop notification in your Windows 11. You simply enable do not disturb option. So your all notifications will automatically stop. And friend, here you will see this is the custom notifications parts. You can manually, here you can manually turn off all the things. So your all notifications will hide automatically. By this way, you can easily turn off all the notifications and also you can turn off these settings. Okay. So friend, by this method, you can stop all the notifications in your Windows 11. So friend, all things are done and I hope this video will help you. If this video will help you, please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because friend, we are uploading this type of very unique tutorial on our YouTube channel. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.